The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where you watch? Dancehall. Alright my people, big up and respect Dancehall Skilla there again. You see it? Yeah, manners and respect. Alright, so I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video had been recorded within the country that is known as Jamaica. I do not know when the video had been recorded, but however, according to some things that have been said on social media about this video that I'm about to present to you, and according to some things that have been shown and said in this video, it is said that the video shows a person who had been accused of raping and molesting a underage girl. The person had been beaten by residents from within a community that is located within the country of Jamaica, and the person also had been arrested by the police within the country of Jamaica. This video shows the person in his underwear on the ground while persons are yelling and shouting at that person. Police can also be seen in this video as well. Viewers and subscribers, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video as well. You see, I'm presenting this video to you because the video and the incident are being talked about on social media. See? Now, before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Only don't do nothing. Only nothing but is take it from here.
Pick up your bag. Right now.
I'm cousin. I'm not calling you. I don't know around them running down in here. I run him run through the community. But home said I rank place him run come. Them don't my station officer, go out with my station. A week if I can jack down, the amount of licking get. Rape, them say. They say rape while they could pick me.
You rape one for girl?
Yeah.
Well for girl.
Hospital down my station. Oh, you mean make him use him rest of strength to him having him body? The people them frazzle him out. Yo, you ready? That them say this to them morning. But the right side I can see big crowd that come. Come here, say, oh, them forgot tell me if waiting there. Shh. Them say little girl I'm cousin, you know, and he molested little girl. Must sit down at a station and I run through here, you know.
Some of the times I really and truly would like to express the way I feel about certain things that happen within the country of Jamaica, but for certain reasons, I just leave some of those opinions and point of views that I have alone, you know. Yeah, sometimes I really would like to express the way I feel about certain videos circulating on social media. Yeah, but for certain reasons, I just leave some of those opinions and point of views alone. You see me I say? Now, to be very clear, I'm going to say this. According to some things that have been said on social media about that video that I just presented to you, and according to some things that have been shown and said in the video that I just presented to you, it is said that the video shows a person who had been accused of raping and molesting a underage girl. Viewers and subscribers, the information that I got about that video that I just presented to you might not be accurate and might not be the truth, but we just give you the information that I got about the video from social media. You see it? Make sure make that be very clear. You see it? But people, above all still, adults should always protect children. Always. No adult should ever bring any form of abusive situations to children. No adult should ever bring any form of adult situations to children. It's not right. It's not right. It is illegal, and you shouldn't even be thinking about something like that. Now, informations about the incident shown in that video are somewhat sketchy, but allegedly it is said that the man was running from persons who attacked him in a community that is located somewhere within the country of Jamaica, and it is said that those persons accused the man of raping and molesting a underage girl. You see me? Allegedly, it is said that the man ran from one community to a nearby community or somewhere nearby. However, it is said that residents within a community beat that man. See? I'm not sure if those persons who beat that man are the same persons who attacked that man in the first place, but however, it is said that residents within a community beat that man. You see me? Viewers and subscribers, the video is right there, you know. If you look at the video and listen to some of the things that have been said, you might get a good understanding as to what happened. You see me I say? Anyways, here's where I'm going to leave it, viewers and subscribers. Big up and respect to each and every one. You don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and let you know what's going on. I saw this video circulating on social media. The video is being talked about on social media, so I presented the video to you so that you can let me know what you think about the video, and you can also let me know what you think about the incident as well. Alright, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey man, you know where I watch. Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.